Today we're featuring a 2015 Honda Odyssey EX. It's a certified Honda. It's got 55,000 miles on it. Alright, it's modern steel metallic in color. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Make our way down the driver's side here. It does have the lock unlock button in the door handles. Power side opening doors. Okay. Go ahead and shut that back. There we go. There we go. Right, nice and smooth there. The driver's side looks good. It is equipped with backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Same thing with this door. Back door on the passenger side. Pull the handle, it automatically opens. Nice and smooth. It does have your blind spot monitoring camera, and I'll show you that when we get inside. Exterior of this van's in really good shape. Alright, it is a certified unit, 55,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the two-tone door panels, black with the gray. Really nice looking. Power locks, power windows. Alright, you got your power driver seat. Alright, but it is gray cloth. Cloth looks good. No problems there. Alright, it does come with two keyless entry key fobs, and it does have your sliding doors, power sliding doors button on there as well. Passenger seat looks good, no problems at all. Cloth's in really good shape. Alright, it's got your display there, AM, FM. It is an automatic. It's got your push button start, dual climate controls, and it does have another backup camera display there, and your blind spot monitor camera display, and we'll show you that. Steering wheel audio controls. Alright, Bluetooth. There's your blind spot monitoring button, and then there's the interior buttons for your rear power sliding doors. So let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 55,336 miles on it. And there's your display, the upper display. Go ahead and turn the lights on, kind of dim that down a little bit. Go ahead and engage the backup camera. Okay, now your blind spot monitoring camera. Let's put that back in park. There's your blind spot monitoring camera. Really cool safety feature Honda offers. When you hit that button, okay, or you turn the turn signal on, it's going to show you your blind spot, and that's a really cool feature to have. Alright, we'll back up a little bit. There's your dual climate controls, and then your display down here in the lower area. I want to show you this too. It's got your power supply outlets there, a couple of storage bins down here. Okay, and this one pops open too. So plenty of storage, plenty of space in this Odyssey. Alright, AC's blowing nice and cold, no problems there. Alright, let's go ahead and step out and take a look in the back. Go ahead and the automatic doors again. Alright. Back seat cloth looks good. It's got the 40-20-40 seats. We'll lift that up, but this center area right here lifts back up, does make another seat, but when it's down, you got your cup holders. Alright. Cloth seats back here look great. No issues at all. Let's go ahead and give you the driver's eye view. Alright, of the dash and the layout. Alright, everything's in really good shape. I'll go ahead and get this seat down for you. Show you the third row seats. As you can see, everything's well taken care of back here. Take a look back here. Alright, got your floor mats back there. Alright, it does have the nice rubber protection right there. Okay. Alright, when the third row's up, you see it kind of goes down a little bit with the depth there as far as your storage goes. But you can pull these tabs here and the seats will fold down. Okay, and then they will come back up as well with this one. Okay, but what you can do is flip them down into this area here, and all of that will be leveled out. But you can see how it opens it up quite a bit back here. Let me open up this door for you. Again, I'm going to give you a perspective of this side of the back seats. It was a little dark earlier. Back here, I just wanted to show you how well maintained these cloth seats are. Alright, let's go ahead and check out your wheels and tires. Let's see, we've got, let me find it here, 17-inch alloys. Alright, Goodyear tires. Almost a brand new set. I mean, there's a ton of tread left on these tires. Alright, and just to recap again, it's a 2015 Honda Odyssey EX, 55,000 miles on it, clean Carfax, one owner. It is a certified Honda. Alright, it's been well taken care of inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.